Hey guys, Simone from Sassoul here. In the spirit of January and the Sassoul 500, we've been highlighting a lot of healthy combinations that you can order at Sassoul. We've also been showing you a few recipes that you can make at home, which brings me to this video. Today we'll be showing you how we make tabouli at the restaurant and then how you can make it at home yourself. I hope you enjoy.
The process of preparing tabouli starts out with a whole lot of parsley. We get parsley delivered to our door every single day from the North Carolina Farmers Market, about 5 cases for each location. Then there's tomato. We dice lots and lots of tomato to get ready for tabouli. Red onion is the type of onion we use in tabouli. However, yellow onion has been used before in a typical tabouli recipe. Because we make so many batches of tabouli every day, we layer our tabouli in big mixing bowls and wait to add the bulgur or quinoa as well as the dressing and spices until we are about to put the salad into the showcase. When we need another batch up front, that's when we add the dressing, bulgur or quinoa, and then the salt and black pepper. Depending on how busy we are each day, we may go through about 10 crocks of tabouli and tabouli with quinoa at Sassoul. All of our salads are mixed carefully by hand, and then the salad maker will taste the salad before it goes up to the display case. Ready for service. Now, let's show you how you can do it in your kitchen. Before preparing a salad, always start by washing your vegetables. And just like at Sassoul, you'll need to make sure the parsley is dry before you begin chopping it. One necessary part of tabouli is that the parsley should be chopped very finely. This is pretty difficult for most people, so don't hesitate to re-grip and grab the parsley in a tighter bundle so that you can continue to chop it fine. And you have no need for the small stems on the bottom of the parsley, so make sure you chop that off before you start chopping the leaves. Chopping the parsley is a bit of a tedious process. There are electric and manual choppers that you can use. However, at Sassoul, we feel the integrity of the parsley is saved if you chop it by hand. You'll need to chop 2 bunches of parsley for this house-sized batch. Next up are tomatoes. You'll need 3 Roma tomatoes or 2 traditional round tomatoes. These are going to need to be diced as well. You'll use 2 cucumbers, and they need to be diced about the same size as your tomatoes. If you're nervous about chopping, just take it slow. The end product, this beautiful batch of tabouli, will be so worth it. A little fun fact for you while you watch all this chopping. Tabouli is typically eaten in romaine lettuce shoots. People will scoop the tabouli into the lettuce, and then the lettuce will serve as their spoon as they put that into their mouth. It actually creates an even better flavor, and that crunch is just irresistible. After you're finished chopping the cucumbers and add it to the salad bowl, you'll start on the onion. Like at Sassoul, I use a red onion, and you'll be dicing this one as well, just like the other vegetables. You can use yellow onion, and I have seen green onion used. I love the red onion though because of the color pop and that slightly sweet taste. Now add in a 1/2 cup of soaked bulgur. You can also do soaked quinoa if you're doing gluten-free. And then about 10 leaves of fresh mint. The mint brightens the flavor of the tabouli, and you don't necessarily notice it until you get a mint leaf, but it's something that you'll be pleasantly surprised with. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt, black pepper, and about 1/3 cup of olive oil, and then use the juice from 1 fresh lemon, or lemon juice in a bottle always works as well. Add that to the layered salad, and then toss it until everything is mixed well. Tabouli is one of those salads that is best eaten right away, but of course you can refrigerate it for a couple hours. The downside to storing tabouli for a while is that the parsley will become wilted. However, the taste will never decrease. When you're ready to eat, plate it into a bowl or a shallow platter, and serve with your favorite sides or grilled items. Tabouli tastes great with everything.